Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by loosening or detaching strings enough to reach the control knobs comfortably. This reduces tension and prevents damage. Use a soft cloth under your hand to protect the guitar's finish while you work. Next, identify whether the Telecaster has push-on or set-screw knobs. The most common are set-screw types. Once identified, you remove the set screw using the correct flat or hex driver, turning gently while holding the shaft to slide the knob off without twisting the pot. You tackle stubborn knobs by applying even, steady force. Never yank. Place a folded cloth around the knob and use rubber-tipped pliers to grip, or use a dedicated knob puller to lift straight up. For push-on knobs, work a thin, flat tool under opposite sides a little at a time to pop it free evenly. Once removed, inspect the pot shaft and bushing for grime or corrosion. Clean with contact cleaner if present, and make sure the inner spline aligns with the knob slot before reassembly. You finish by sliding the knob back onto the pot shaft, aligning any splines or markings, and tightening the set screw just enough to secure it. Avoid over-torquing, which strips threads. Once done, test the pot rotation and click to verify smooth operation before restoring string tension. If you hear scratchy noise or intermittent contact, make sure to clean the potentiometer with contact cleaner and rotate it while spraying. If problems persist, replace the pot with the correct value and taper to restore proper function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.